All right, welcome. Today, we are diving into a feature in QuickBooks Online that, I'm not kidding, will completely change how you handle your money. This isn't just some minor update. This is one of those aha moments that'll make you wonder how you ever manage without it. So let's just kick things off with a quick question. Does managing your day-to-day business money feel, well, like you're drowning in paperwork? Spending hours and hours just typing in receipts, trying to match up payments, basically just trying to stop your books from becoming a total mess?
Look, if you're nodding your head right now, trust me, you are so not alone. For pretty much every busy business owner out there, trying to catch every single payment and make sure your bank account actually lines up with your books, it's a huge headache. And honestly, it's just asking for a simple mistake to sneak in and cause chaos later.
But what if you could just put the most boring, most frustrating part of all this on autopilot? Well, you can, and it's all thanks to something called the bank feed. Okay, let's really look at this. It's like a night and day difference. On one hand, you've got the old way, manual entry. It's slow, it's tedious, you're always playing catch-up, and you're just waiting for an error to pop up. But on the other hand, you've got bank feeds. This is automatic, it's accurate, it's always up to date. It's the difference between constantly chasing your tail and actually being in the driver's seat.
So what exactly is this bank feed? Think of it like a super secure pipeline. It's a direct link from your online bank account straight into QuickBooks. It automatically and safely imports all of your transactions. Every dollar that comes in and every dollar that goes out. They just show up, ready for you. The big takeaway here? No more manual data entry, period.
All right, enough talk. Let's get practical. I'm going to walk you through setting this up step by step. And don't worry, this isn't some super technical thing that requires an IT degree. You'll see just how simple it really is.
Okay, first up, when you're in QuickBooks, just look over to that main menu on the left. You're going to find Transactions, give that a click, and then in the little menu that pops out, select Bank Transactions. Easy. That's going to take you right where we need to be.
Now, once you're on that page, QuickBooks makes it super obvious. You're going to see a big button. If it's your first time doing this, it'll probably say Connect Account. If you've already got one linked up, it might say Link Account. Either way, just click that button to get started.
This next part is a piece of cake. Seriously, QuickBooks connects with pretty much every bank you can think of. The big national ones, your local credit union, you name it. You'll see a list of the most common ones, or you can just pop the name of your bank into the search bar and find it in seconds.
Okay, now you'll see a prompt to sign in to your bank. This is just like logging into your bank's website or app. And this is super important. You're not actually giving your password to QuickBooks. You're signing in directly with your bank to give permission for this secure read-only link. It's totally safe.
Next up, you just have to tell QuickBooks which account this is for. You'll see your list of accounts, what accountants call the chart of accounts, and you'll just match things up. So you'll connect your actual bank's checking account to the checking account you have set up in your QuickBooks. And hey, if you don't have one set up yet, no problem, you can create it right there with a click.
Now you get to decide how much history to pull in. QuickBooks will ask how far back you want to go. Do you need just the last few weeks, the last 90 days, maybe the whole year to get caught up? You're in complete control here. Just pick what you need.
And that's basically it. You hit that final connect button and QuickBooks starts doing its thing, securely pulling in your transactions. Now, that first import might take a couple of minutes, so go grab a cup of coffee. By the time you get back, the magic will have happened.
Okay, here's a little pro tip that takes this to the next level. This is an absolute game changer. Use the QuickBooks mobile app. Think about it. You're out, you buy something for the business, you just snap a quick picture of the receipt right then and there. That picture goes right into QuickBooks, waiting to be perfectly matched up with the transaction when it flows in from your bank. So cool.
So once that connection is live, you have officially unlocked what is, in my opinion, the most powerful, time-saving feature in all of QuickBooks. Welcome to your new mission control for your money, the Banking Center.
This right here, this is where the real magic happens. All those transactions from your bank, they're all neatly lined up right here, just waiting for you to give them a quick look. From this one screen, you'll match them, you'll categorize them, and get them into your books. We're talking perfect accuracy with just a few clicks. It's awesome.
And it gets even better, because the system is actually really smart. As your transactions come in, QuickBooks is already looking for matches. So let's say a payment of $500 comes in from a client. QuickBooks sees you have an open invoice for that exact amount to that exact client. It'll just suggest the match for you. All you have to do is say, yep, that's right. It does all the hard work.
Okay,
So we've walked through the setup, which was pretty easy, right? But let's step back for a second. Why does any of this actually matter? What's the real benefit here? Why is this such a big deal?
It really boils down to this. You are saving so much time. Hours and hours of tedious data entry are just gone. You're getting near-perfect accuracy because the data is coming straight from the bank. And maybe the most important part? You now have an up-to-the-minute, real-time picture of your money. That means you can make smarter business decisions way faster.
So really, the question isn't if you should do this, it's why haven't you done it yet? Connecting your bank account is, without a doubt, the single biggest step you can take to make your financial management 1,000 times easier and more efficient. It's time to stop chasing paperwork and start running your business.